Imagine this. One moment you're looking up at the night sky, admiring the stars. The next, a blinding flash, invisible to your eyes but devastating, tears through the planet's atmosphere. Within seconds, it burns away the ozone layer, triggers mass extinctions, and sends Earth spiraling into chaos. This isn't the plot of a science fiction movie. This is what could happen if a gamma ray burst, one of the most powerful explosions in the universe, hit Earth. How likely is it? What exactly is a gamma ray burst? And should we be worried? Let's dive in. Gamma ray bursts, or GRBs, are cosmic monsters. They're the most energetic events we know of, releasing in seconds more energy than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. They occur when massive stars collapse into black holes, or when two neutron stars collide. Both cataclysmic events that send beams of high-energy gamma radiation across the cosmos. Some GRBs last just milliseconds, others several minutes. But what they have in common is raw, unimaginable power. A single burst, if pointed directly at us, could reshape life on Earth. So what would happen if one of these deadly beams hit Earth? First, the ozone layer, our natural shield from harmful ultraviolet radiation, would be obliterated. Studies show that a GRB could deplete up to 50% of the ozone in mere seconds. With that shield gone, the sun's UV rays would scorch the planet, increasing cancer rates, destroying ecosystems, and disrupting the food chain. Second, the nitrogen in our atmosphere would be transformed into harmful nitrogen dioxide, a brownish gas that would dim sunlight and trigger a global cooling event. Crops could fail, weather patterns would go haywire, a cosmic winter could set in. Third, life in the oceans, the cradle of Earth's biodiversity, would suffer dramatically. Phytoplankton, the foundation of the marine food web, are highly sensitive to UV radiation. Their mass die-off would ripple upward, affecting all marine life and global oxygen production. And finally, gamma rays themselves could directly damage DNA in living organisms, increasing mutation rates and triggering biological crises on a scale we've never seen. This isn't just theory. Research from NASA and Scientific American highlights that GRBs may have caused at least one of Earth's past mass extinctions, possibly the Ordovician extinction 450 million years ago. But before you go building a bunker, let's talk numbers. Yes, GRBs are terrifying, but they're also rare, extremely rare. And for a burst to be dangerous to Earth, it needs to happen relatively close, within 6,000 light years, and be perfectly aligned with our planet. The odds of this happening? Astronomically low. NASA scientists reassure us that no known nearby stars pose an immediate gamma ray burst threat. Massive stars capable of producing GRBs are mostly found in distant, low-metallicity galaxies, not in our own Milky Way neighborhood. The recent brightest GRB ever recorded in 2022, dubbed BOAT, brightest of all time, was over 2 billion light-years away. Impressive? Yes. Dangerous? Not even close. So, while gamma ray bursts make for an incredible what-if scenario and a reminder of our fragile place in the universe, they're not a reason to panic. Still, next time you stare at the stars, remember, out there in the darkness, the universe is playing with forces that could vaporize us in a blink. Thankfully, for now, we're safe.